Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring prerequisites. Update your graphics driver and confirm your laptop's power settings. Make sure high performance is allowed. Next, pick a single, trusted live wallpaper application that matches your operating system. This avoids conflicts. Once chosen, download the installer only from the App Store or official source and keep the wallpaper files handy. You do this because driver and power settings control smooth playback and battery use, so you prevent stutter and unexpected system throttling. You run the installer as administrator, granting the specific permissions the app requests. This prevents future permission prompts. After installation, import your chosen file or select an online scene, then configure playback quality. Lower bitrate reduces CPU load, while higher quality improves visuals. Once done, enable hardware acceleration if available, and set an FPS cap so animations are smooth without overheating. Make sure to toggle battery mode to pause or reduce wallpaper fidelity when unplugged to extend runtime. You finish by setting the wallpaper to start with Windows and assigning a hotkey to pause it quickly. Test while running a browser and a video to confirm behavior. Then monitor temperatures and GPU usage for a short period. If you see spikes, reduce quality or switch to a static image. If problems persist, roll back the graphics driver or disable other overlay and capture tools because these commonly conflict. Finally, make sure your app is updated. Patch releases often fix playback and stability issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.